Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact file path and extension so you target the right item. Close apps and explore windows that might hold a lock. This often frees the file immediately. Open Task Manager, sort by name or disk, and look for processes accessing that folder. Once done, right-click the process and choose End Task to release handles. Make sure to save any work first, because killing processes can close other documents unexpectedly. Next, you escalate privileges and change ownership so Windows will allow deletion. Open an elevated command prompt. Run tcon and icackles to take ownership and grant full control. If the file is still locked, use a reliable unlock tool or sysinternals handle to find and close specific handles. Alternatively, in the elevated prompt run del, c /path/ to /file, /f/q to force delete. The /f forces write-protected removal and /q suppresses prompts. These steps remove permission and lock barriers, so delete. Finally, you confirm the file is gone and tidy up. Empty the recycle bin and restart Explorer to refresh views. This often resolves ghost entries. If deletion still fails, reboot into safe mode or use Windows Recovery Environment to delete the file without normal services running. If that still fails, make sure to run a malware scan and chkdsk to repair disk errors, because persistent locks can indicate corruption or infection. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails repeatedly, scan for malware first to rule out malicious protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.